What are the benefits of outsourcing maintenance? Businesses often seek ways to reduce costs and improve efficiency. One effective option they consider is outsourcing maintenance services. There are several compelling reasons why businesses choose to outsource their maintenance needs. 1. Outsourcing maintenance can help businesses save time and money. By avoiding the expenses and hassles associated with hiring, training, and managing in-house staff, companies can reduce operational costs significantly. Moreover, outsourcing provides access to specialized skills and equipment that businesses may not possess internally, leading to a higher quality of service and lower overall expenses. 2. Outsourcing maintenance services offer businesses the flexibility to adjust their service levels according to changing needs and demands. This adaptability is crucial in meeting market conditions and customer expectations effectively. Companies can access a broader range of services and solutions tailored to their specific requirements, ensuring they can scale their operations as necessary. 3. When maintenance services are outsourced, the work is carried out by qualified and experienced professionals who adhere to industry safety standards and best practices. Regular inspections, preventive maintenance, and emergency repairs are part of the outsourced services, preventing breakdowns and accidents. This approach not only enhances the performance of equipment and facilities, but also improves overall safety. 4. Finding skilled maintenance staff can be challenging for many businesses. Outsourcing addresses this issue by allowing companies to bring in additional labor when required and release them after completing the job. Outsourcing addresses this issue by allowing companies to bring in additional labor when required and release them after completing the job. Moreover, by working alongside outsourced specialists, a company's internal staff can learn, develop, and upgrade their maintenance-related knowledge, enhancing their skill set. 5. Business continuity and risk management. Outsourcing maintenance services mitigates the risks of interrupted services due to internal issues. It ensures that maintenance tasks are consistently performed, promoting business continuity and preventing disruptions in operations. 6. Businesses can outsource a variety of maintenance services, ranging from general cleaning and access control to specialized tasks, such as industrial automation and hazardous chemicals cleanup. Whether it's for commercial properties, schools, hospitals, or manufacturing facilities, outsourcing provides tailored solutions to meet diverse needs. Contact RealDov LLC for a free consultation. Visit www.realdov.com.